Sometimes you'll end up having apps on your computer that automatically open every time you turn on the computer, and that can get kind of annoying. To turn off startup apps like this, we'll first click the Start button on the taskbar, and then go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, we're going to click Apps on the left sidebar. And towards the bottom, in the Apps menu, you'll see a section called Startup. I'll click that, and we'll see a list of applications with a toggle next to them. Any app that's been toggled on here will automatically launch when you log into your computer. And to stop that from happening, you'll simply turn off the toggle. I'd say for 90% of users, this is all you need. Go to the Startup menu and toggle off the apps you don't want automatically opening. But sometimes you might run into a stubborn app that keeps auto-launching during startup and it's not listed here. And for that, we can check a hidden folder your computer keeps for auto-launching applications. To check the hidden folder, we'll go back to the Start menu, and I'm going to use the search this time. I'll type Run, and we'll get this handy little system application simply called Run. This tool allows you to type a name of a program, folder, or document, and it'll open it for you. I'm going to type shell:startup, and then we'll hit OK. This will open a startup folder on your computer that can have applications in it, and anything included here will automatically open when you log into your computer. You could drag applications here to set them to launch automatically during startup, or, like in this case, we'll want to remove them. So I'm just going to go ahead, right-click my applications here, and then choose Delete. You'll see under the Type column how these are just shortcuts, so we're not actually deleting the application itself, we're just removing the shortcut to these applications from the startup folder. Once those are clear, my computer will no longer launch any applications automatically when I log in. And that's how you turn off startup apps. Go click that like button below if this helped you, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.